6 minus 4 in bracket 6 minus 4. Answer is not 4. Why? How and why? The answer is not 4. So let's see what happened exactly. We have 6 minus 4 in bracket 6 minus 4. We know 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore, we have here bracket, right? We have here in bracket 6 minus 4, which is also 2. Then 2 times 2 is 4. But this answer is not correct. So this is what most students get, but this answer is incorrect. Let's see the correct answer. So we have to clean this. To get the correct answer, we have to use this rule, BODMAS. Here we have BODMAS. B-O-D-M-A-S. B here is bracket. O represent of. D division. M multiplication. A addition. S subtraction. So we have to apply this rule then to get the correct answer. So we have 6 minus 4 in bracket 6 minus 4. This is what we have. So we have to see the question. Do we have bracket in this question? Yes, we have bracket. So we have to write 6 as it is, and then we say minus 4. So then we solve what is inside the bracket first. So we have 6 minus 4, which is 2, right? Therefore, we have to see the second letter, which is of. We have nothing like that. Then the third one, which is division, no. Therefore, we have M, which is multiplication. Yes, we have multiplication because we have a bracket here. So therefore, we have to write 6 as it is. Therefore, here is minus, and inside is positive. So we have minus. Therefore, we have 4 times 2, which is 8. Now we have 6 minus 8, which is negative 2. So this is the correct answer.